What's going on, guys? Thank you for joining me for another property tour. And once again, welcome to 2713 West Hatfield Avenue, located in Edinburgh, Texas. Today, we're looking at this new construction, 3-bed, 2.5 bathroom home with a list price of $535,000. Wow. Let's take a quick peek at the office space. The natural lighting in here gives off such an inviting feel. Let's take a quick look at your half bath. Natural lighting continues into the guest rooms, which do share a Jack and Jill restroom. And please take notice of these full body closet mirror doors. So clean and so useful. Alright guys, check out these modern light fixtures in the kitchen and double hanging chandelier setup in the living area. Such a good combination that creates such a lavish ambiance. Next, we're going to take a look at the 2-car garage and laundry area. And while we do so, I'd like to point out that this home is built in a brand new gated community located in the heart of Edinburgh, just minutes away from shopping, hospitals, and the University of Texas, Rio Grande Valley. But I want to know, is this enough to fetch the $500,000 asking price? Drop a comment and let me know. Primary bedroom will lead us into your primary bathroom, featuring a double vanity sink top with elegant light fixtures, private commode, walk-in shower with overhead rain shower head, and a walk-in closet. If you guys want to stay up to date with me, please follow me on socials, on TikTok and Instagram at realtor Matthew Lopez. And I'm also now on Twitter/X at Matthew1Lopez. Thank you guys for joining me on this property tour. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, and as always, God bless.